All right, we're ready for our update as of 1st of March. Um, what we have here is we have our ridge forming, like we said yesterday. We actually predicted. We have our next system, which should be coming in tomorrow night, which should break down the ridge. Alright, here's the system, here's the ridge. Here's the surface system on the East Coast, and a little bit of showers. Ohio Valley, Eastern Great Lakes. We show a 500 millibar. This is about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. You can see this ridge over our area. Our edge, our next system. You can see that the trough it is pretty deep in the east and the central United States with our system, which is right here, as you can see on the satellite off Maine, off New York. Now we're gonna go to we're gonna go for 24 hours. What's the GFS? In 24 hours from now, which is tomorrow morning, we can see our system getting closer. Our system getting closer, with our ridge shifting over the Rockies. Our system off the East Coast is still there, but more east. Let's show that with 500. And voila, the system is moving away, but it was a deep trough. Cool conditions in here. Ridge moving to the east over the Rockies. Next system up in here. We're gonna go to 36 hours. And voila, this shows our system moving into our coastline. Our next ridge forming out here. Dry conditions over most of the United States with showery conditions over the East Coast. System moving out. Okay. We're going to go to 48. 48 hours still shows showery conditions over area, but the system moving out. Mostly dry over most of the United States. Maine has a little bit of showers. We're going to go all the way to 72 hours now. And when we have dry conditions over our area, our system is now over the plain areas. System over Maine. Here, we're going to show you a 500 millibar vantage point of this. A little ridge. System over the Gulf of Alaska. Our system over Montana. Backdoor system forming over Maine. And here's the jet stream. Now we can show the ECMWF. This is another model for 3 days. It shows the same thing pretty much. Now we're going to go to 96 hours. And 96 hours shows you another system moving into our area. Like Gulf of Alaska system moved from here to here. This next system, which we're going to have to watch for the East Coast, is now over Tennessee. Yesterday was a little bit further south, so this is a big change over yesterday, so this could affect what kind of conditions occur. We're gonna look at the 500 because it's the best thing to compare to the ECMWF. This system, its energy is to the west of the surface energy, which jet stream is here, which is actually pretty normal because low pressure does form to the southwest, normally of the upper level low. Our system moving into the Pacific Northwest. We're going to show you the ECMWF, which actually holds more energy back in here. It actually holds more energy back in here, up in the Dakotas. Go to we're gonna go to 120 hours. The trop's still over the Pacific Northwest. Our system is now off North Carolina. This system is closer than it was yesterday, in which could have wind from the northeast off the backside. So we will have to see. Let's look at the 500s of this, and voila, it's tilted. It's a nice little system. Cold air coming in behind it, warm air streaming to the north. It's going to be a borderline situation for this part of the coastline. So we're going to have to watch for mostly before it to come to the north of this area. As for the west, we have a trough over our region. Let's go to 132 hours. And this system, it now has cold air streaming into this area with some leftover moisture. This is really between 126 and 132 hours is the best chance for snowfall for this area. My area is still showery. Let's show the ECMWF. It pretty much agrees, but it's even closer to the coast. So that is your update.